Hi everyone, I have already created a video for the atomicity of the asset properties in a database design. So I want to create the next letter, that is C. C stands for consistency. So basically it if I explain what is consistency, so it is like valid before equal to valid after, before it is valid, after also it is valid. The database must always move from one valid state to another. All constants, triggers, and rules must hold true before and after a transaction. If I take one example, then if there's a rule like account balance cannot go below zero, then after every update, the rule must stay true. मतलब बेसिकली जो पहला है वही पहले बाद में भी होना चाहिए, कुछ ऐसा चेंज नहीं जाना चाहिए स्कीमा में या डेटाबेस के कुछ रूल्स में चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. If a transaction would violate it, the DBMS rejects it. So for the atomicity as well, I asked a question to ChatGPT. Now I'm asking for consistency. Hi ChatGPT. Basically, for today's question is regarding the consistency of the asset properties. I want you to explain me consistency in detail with 5 examples, and I want your best and simplest explanation of it. So anyone who is have just listened to this conversation, it should be be in their blood right now to what is consistency basically. Now you can start.
Absolutely. So consistency in the context of ACID properties means that any transaction will bring the database from one valid state to another valid state, maintaining all predefined rules, constraints, and data integrity. In other words, after a transaction, the database should always remain in a consistent state, following all business rules. I'll break it down with a few simple examples so it's super clear. Let me know if you're ready and I'll dive right in.
Yeah, I think this is good now. You can now go with the examples of consistency. I think 5 examples.
Awesome. Let's jump into the examples. First, inventory management. Imagine a database for a retail store. If a transaction reduces the stock of an item by 1, consistency means that the inventory count should never become negative. So if the stock is 5 and we sell 1, the new stock should be 4 and never go below 0. Banking transactions in a banking system, if you transfer money from one account to another, consistency means that the total balance in both accounts remains the same. For instance, if you transfer $100 from account A to account B, the total amount of money across both accounts should remain unchanged. Third, order processing. Consider an e-commerce database. When a customer places an order, consistency ensures that the inventory, payment, and order records are all updated correctly. For example, once an item is purchased, its quantity should decrease and the payment should be recorded, ensuring no discrepancies. For data validation in a healthcare database, if you record a patient's information, consistency means that all required fields, like age, gender, and medical history, must be filled out correctly and follow specific validation rules, like age being a positive number. 5, financial ledgers. In accounting databases, consistency ensures that every debit has a corresponding credit. This means that the accounting equation, assets equals liabilities plus equity, remains balanced after every transaction. So hopefully these examples help paint a clear picture of consistency. Let me know if you want to dive deeper into any of them.